Hello guys, welcome to UJ Academy. UJ Academy where we drop back-to-back information about forex trading, cryptocurrency, crypto airdrop, DIY, Shopify, and then financial advices. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Also do well to join my Telegram channel where we drop back-to-back new information, latest legit information about new airdrop that can fetch you a whole lot of money. Okay, guys, without saying much, let's dive into the lectures of today. How to use MetaTrader. How to use MetaTrader. So this is for beginners, total beginners that are just starting up with forex trading. You have gone through a forex class, or probably you have learned forex by yourself, and then you bumped into MetaTrader, so you don't know how to use it. So I'm going to enlighten you on how to use it. Okay, first up, we have two type of MetaTrader. We have the MetaTrader 5 and the MetaTrader 4. So you should be able to find out the one that your broker needs. They are both the same. They are both the same. Just that one is just flexible than one. MetaTrader 5 is more flexible than MetaTrader 4. So, and it depends on the one each broker is using. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using MetaTrader 4 for this sake. So go ahead and search for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 in Play Store, in Google Play Store, or in iOS. Is available there. Or if you're using computer, it's also available for your Windows. Okay, in this case, I'll be searching for MetaTrader 4. I've already downloaded it, so I'll just go ahead and open it. So first off, when you open it, this is how it will look like. To be blank, just like that. So I'm going to walk you through how everything should look like and how you should set up everything. Okay, the first thing you need to do after downloading MetaTrader, whether MetaTrader 5 or 4, is you come over to this angle. That talks about accounts. Come over to that place, you click it, then click on get started. Get started is a new account, you get. So you click on get started, and then probably you click on this arrow to add account. Click on that arrow. So when you click on that arrow, so probably your broker must have given you a login details already. Your broker, of course, if you have a broker, you must have a login details. So you need to have a broker. A broker is, I've done lectures about brokers already. So brokers are people that gives you leverage to trade. So they have their own website where they give you the account, you get. So once they give you the account, all you need to do is to come here and search for their name. You get, search for their name. It can be Derive, it can be Quack Call, it can be a whole lot of them. All the names available. You get. So just search for them. If you click, for instance, if you click here now, you'll be seeing FBS, you'll be seeing FBS. Any broker at all, like you type in this place, will open. You get. So before then, when you search for, let's say I want to use Derive. I don't think Derive, they don't have accounts with, they don't have MetaTrader 4. They only use MetaTrader 5. So you can search for any broker of your choice. Make sure they're using MetaTrader 4. They will open, or MetaTrader 5. So make sure they specify it there. So in this case, also, if you don't have an account, maybe you just want to be practicing Forex, you can go ahead and use their demo account. So which is a first option. Demo account is the first option. So I'll click on that demo account to show me a whole lot of accounts. So I'm going to be using Meta. I'm using Meta. You can see it has come up. So just click on Meta. Okay. So I can decide to use any kind of information I want to use. So I'm going to pause this video and enter this information, then I will get back to you. So just all you need to do is to fill your name, your phone number, your email, then you choose the leverage that suits you. So for your broker, you don't have to do all this, But for since you want to practice on your own, you are the one that you also want to practice. You just need an account to practice. You have to choose all this leverage. So before you start using leverage, you must have probably watched my video where I talk about leverage and the best leverage for you to use. So make sure you do well to watch that video, and then the amount of the account size you want. If you want for practice purpose, I will advise you to go with the lowest amount, $3,000, so that because this one is you can actually this is a realistic, unlike you are using $10,000. It's unrealistic again, because the way you might be practicing on $10,000 might not be the same way you might be practicing in $3,000. So it's always good to start small and gain more knowledge and discipline yourself, so that by the time you start trading bigger accounts, you'll be already disciplined. So I'm going to pause this video and enter these details, and then I will get back to you guys. So guys, once you create that demo account, they will give you your password and your login details. So even if you change device, you can as well use it for any device of your choice. Any device of your choice. So remember, it's a demo account. What is demo account? Demo account is like a visual account that you can be using to practice. It's not real, but it behaves like a real account. You get? So also too, I forgot one thing. I forgot to choose currency. So I'm supposed to use the currency that I'm familiar with, US dollars. But it's okay, it's for just for practice purpose, so it's not a problem. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through all these features. So number one thing I want to walk you through is this place. This is where we have the quote price. All the currencies will be listed. You have their quote price, the bid price, the asking price, everything. And this part is your chart. Second part is your chart. This one here is your chart. This is where all the traders spends time. This is where all the trader spends time. So let's be clicking one by one, so we'll get to know it. So this first place, as I said before, is quotes. So you are seeing the asking price, the bidding price, every and after you have created account, the next thing you need to do is you click on this plus button again and start adding the currency that you need, because see all this currency that is here, I don't even know any of them. So it's apart from this gold, XAUUSD, is that one is gold. So the next one is silver. So I'm going to add the currency that you will be trading or I will be trading. So you go to this plus sign, as I said before. So this, you add all kinds of currency, you can see. So all kinds of currency, all this currency that is showing now is depending on the kind of account I choose. You get? So there's a better account where you'll be seeing all the regular GBP you get. So I think it's here. I think everything's a Euro USD. Forget about the why they're adding. This one now is familiar. This is a symbol of the broker. You get? So when this symbol is not important, except maybe you have a copier, you want to add this account to a copier, then that is when this symbol will be important, because you have to indicate the symbol so the copier will be able to copy your trade perfectly. So let's say I will add GPB AUD, GBP CHF, then GP USD. Then if I don't like all this other trade that I'm seeing, all this other pair I'm seeing, they call them pair because it's the combination of two currency together. So if I don't like all this pair that I'm seeing here, all I just need to do is to click on this pencil sign. So once I click on that pencil sign, so now I'll click on this delete button, trash button, so or trash can. Once I click on that trash can, it will give me option to start deleting the ones I don't want. Okay, so let's do it. Click on that trash stuff. So I'm going to be deleting this one, this, as many as I don't want. I need this. So also I don't trade silver. I'll delete that one too. So when I'm done, I just need to click on this trash can. to delete it. You can see it has already deleted the ones I don't need. So even this Hong Kong, I will delete it later. So also, if you want to still add, you can still click on the plus button and start adding. You get. So that is how to add currency. That's the second thing you need to do after after you have created your account, and then you have logged in. So you have to start adding your currency, your desired currency, the desired pair that you trade. You get. So the next thing, remember I said this has to do. This is quotes. This is quotes, all the quote prices. The next is the chart. Chart. Of course, before you started downloading MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you must be conversant with all these terminologies. Chart. So chart is where all the traders this is where all the traders spend their most time. So let's say I want to see the chart of GPUSD. I want to know what GPUSD is doing. So all I need to do is to hold GPUSD, and then it will bring out options for me to bring new order, to bring open chart, to bring symbol properties, to bring simple view mode. So what I'm interested here is to open my chart. So I'll go ahead and click on open chart. So it will open the chart of GBP USD. So I'll currently know what GBP USD is. So if you don't like this or this line, you can delete it. How do you delete it? All you need to do is just to tap your screen. You tap your screen. When you tap your screen, you click on this button. So when you click on that button, okay, you see all the symbols. If you want to delete all the symbols, you just click on this trash can, and then click on this copy, delete all, because you're not interested in any of them. You did not add them, so I don't know why they are there. So just click on that one. It will mark all of them. Just delete all of them, so that your chart will be very, very clean. So there's nothing on that your chart now. So now, of course, as I said earlier, before you should start downloading MetaTrader 5, you must have known some technologies like the time frame. Okay, so this I'm tapping to see the time frame on a mobile phone. All you need to just to tap your screen. You see all the time frame, M5, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, up to monthly. So let's say I want to see daily. I'm not going to do chart analysis here. If you need a video about chart analysis, please do well to watch my previous videos where I showed you secret on how to analyze gold, GPUSD, AUD, JPY, all pairs. If you want to good full information about all pairs, do well to check order of my videos. So I don't want this video to be too long. So let's say I want to check what's happening on H4. That is 4 hours. Just click on H4, and then if you have a good network, you should be able to display for you to see what's happening on H4. So you already know now, the red one represents the sell, the buy, the green one represents the buy. So if you want to change this candle to line, you can as well do that. There's a feature for that. You can as well do that. I think so. So let's see. If you come to this point, go to settings. So you go to settings. This place is Japanese candlestick we are using. So you can click on it and then choose whether you want to use line or bar chart. So let's select line and see what will happen. You can see it has changed to line. So in this case, the most commonly used chart is the Japanese candlestick. So we go back to that place, settings, click on Japanese candlestick. So that's for chart. If you need more information about chart analysis or secret on how to analyze a chart, do watch check other videos that I will link here, or I'll drop the link in the bio. So the next one is this particular place where I mark the arrow, shows you your position, your account balance, everything, your trade, your current trade. So let's check it out. You click there. So you can see my account balance roughly currently right now is $3,000, and my equity is what my account will become. That's a equity, what my account will become. For now it's flat because I'm not on any trade. So free margin is the ability for me to hold this trade. You get, if my free margin is low, just know that, or is very poor, or is very small when I'm on a trade, just know that I'm about to lose my balance, or I'm about to lose my funds. So you make sure whenever you're trading, your free margin is big enough. So the next one, we're going to take a trade later. So the next one is this box. This box talks about your history. Yeah, this is history, where you see the last trade you enter, the activities of this account. So if you click on this, you can see the history is blank. You can see how much was funded, $3,000, and then balance. You get, nothing has been done yet. So I'm going to show you how it works. Also, if you click on if you click on this place, you can see your history 3 months back. um you can also set custom. You can see your history of yesterday, for instance, if you have traded on this account yesterday. So let's click it and see. You can see your trade. You can see your history of last week, last month, 3 months ago. You can see. Okay, so this one now has to do with news about, for instance, now if you're when you have a margin call, it will appear here to news. When this MetaTrader, they want to drop news, they will also drop it here for you. Also this is news, economic news, but this is not really functional because it doesn't really show. I've not really seen economic news appear here. Okay, so now let me show you how to enter a trade. So to enter a trade, the next thing first thing is to log in your account or create new accounts. That's for if you want to practice on your own. The next one is to add currency and then remove the ones you don't want, so that for simplicity purpose, the number three things you need to do after you have downloaded empty MetaTrader 5 is to enter a trade. So enter a trade, you get, or to analyze a chart. If you want to analyze, you can go ahead and analyze. So let's say I want to enter this trade. All I need to do is just to hold it. I want to enter GPUSD. I want to enter this one, GPUSD. All I need to do is to hold it, click on chart, click on new order, new order, new order, and then let's say I want to sell or I want to buy. So I can, this place here now has to do with lot size. So probably you must have read about lot size. Lot size is the amount you are willing to stake. The higher the lot size, the higher profit and loss you can make. Profit or loss you can make. The lower your lot size, the lower the profit or loss you can make too. You can also so always trade wisely. I always advise my students to risk 2:1, as risk 2% of their entire account. You get, so use proper risk management when you are trading. So this area is for your SL stop loss, SL stop loss, SL. Then this area is for your TP, take profit, take profit. So this video is not to start teaching you how to set stop loss and take profit, or else it will be so long. This video is to show you how to use the MetaTrader. So let's say I want to enter a trade. So I want to sell. I want to sell. Okay, I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy. I click on buy off quote. So today is what? Today is Thursday. Okay. Let's check what's going on. GBP. I don't know if the market is still on. The market is on. Today is Thursday. Okay. So let's say I want to enter a trade. I want to enter a trade. You can also enter a trade using this place if you want. You get. You can also enter a trade there just by clicking it, and then let's say I want to sell, for instance. So I think If it doesn't enter, then just know that this account is not properly uh it's not, that particular pairs are not functional. So let's use this gold for instance. Let's use this XAUSD. So for you to know that this is gold, it's already named gold. If you check symbol property, you will see it here, gold. You can see gold spot. So that's it. So let's use this gold for practice purpose. So let's say we want to sell, want to buy. You can see it has open, order open. So remember, you want to buy, what you need to do, hold it, new position, select your loss size, put your stop loss, put your take profit here. Then this part, I've not taught you this part, is what we call instant market execution. This is what we call pending order. Is what we call pending order, instant market execution. If you don't know all these terminologies, you are really new. Make sure you join my Telegram channel or DM me or watch other of my videos that will guide you through all these things. I have a full tutorial videos on forex trading, so you can do well to watch those videos. So if you want to, this market execution now is, if maybe you are in a signal group and they said instant market execution means that trade is to be entered now. You get, so if they say pending order, that means that trade is to, you enter that trade but it's to not trigger that time. You get, it's not trigger that time. I'm not going to do a video. Maybe I will show you a video that will explain that. But let me see if I can do that now. Let's check the chart of this pair. I just pray this video shouldn't be too long. So you can see now we are currently buying this gold. They're currently buying gold, and then we're currently buying gold. Let's say maybe I'm predicting that this gold will get to this point and then trigger again, for instance. So I don't want to just rush and enter. I want to be safe. So I can use this point. I can use this point 2440.10 as a pending order. 2440.10 as a pending order. So let's try that. 2440.10 as a pending order. All I need to just to hold it, new execution, and new trade. Then I just go to let's say it's a sell limit, or sell limit, 2440.10. So if it doesn't work, that means sell stop. Let's use sell stop, place order. So place order, you can see that it has opened. You can see it has opened. This line, it has opened. So once this market hits this point, it will trigger. If this trade eventually goes up, that means I'll be in profit. That's if you don't want to enter instant trade, instant execution. So that's how pending order works. So let me show you how it looks like. You can see how it looks like, right? You have entered the trade, but it's not running because market has not gotten to that price yet. Okay, once market goes to that price, it will trigger. Unlike this one is running already. You get, so if you need a proper video on all this pending order, instant market execution, how to put stop loss and take profit, ensure you watch the videos that I've made previously. So this is how you trade. This is how you use MetaTrader, whether 4 or 5. So let me show you how the history looks like. Let me show you how the history looks like. If I should close this, I think my network is not really strong. So if I should close this trade, so my network is not really strong. So you can also position now is the open trade, whether profit or loss. That's position. So if I close this now, if I should close this one that's running now, close it, whether profit or loss, I close it. You get, so if I come back to history, you can see I've gone to history by clicking here. I've gone to history. So you can see I've been able to see things on the history. Now you can see and profit now I've lost 109. Why did I lose 109? I closed 89. It's because of the charged swap, what we call, I mean, a charged commission. What we call commission. Each time we enter a trade or open a trade, a broker charges commission. It depends on the broker. You get some broker does not charge commission. So you can see that if you check over here now, it's $4. I'm seeing $4 minus $4 commission. Okay, so that is how you use MetaTrader for. So this history cannot be deleted. Whether you have been trading for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, it cannot be deleted. So this history remains. As long as this account is still active and valid, this history will remain. So even if you log it in another device, you are able to see this history. All right, guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so this is how you can use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. You get MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So let's say you open a trade. Let me teach you another thing again. You open this trade. Let's say you open a sell, for instance. Now open a sell and you want to close. All you need to do is to hold it and click close in loss. That is how to use MetaTrader 5. You hold it, click delete. You can delete. So now it's not a running trade, so you can delete it. You can delete it and to delete to go off. All right, so this is how to use the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. All right, please do well. So I have a video that talks about secrets, 5 hidden features of MetaTrader 5. Please do well to watch that video and learn. There are some secrets in MetaTrader 5 that you need to learn that you maybe you have not known before. So go and watch that video so that you will know those 5 hidden secrets or 5 hidden features. All right, see you in the next video. Peace out.